Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a hinge cover on Lenovo V130 laptop. And as we can see and compare the new and the old one has these small parts here that hold the screws broken, as well as some clips missing. And we can also see here that some of the clips are broken as well. Nonetheless, this should just hold fine with clips coming here and screws there. This is really a common problem on Lenovo V130, and in order to do this properly, we'll need to remove the screen bezel first. So, you need some kind of prying tool. For me, this one works best when it comes to the screens. And then you use your thumb, and from this side it goes really easy. Then you will need to jiggle it a little bit here, but eventually it has to go out. Now let's do some cleaning first. With our compressed air. And let's remove the old bits. Okay, so these are the bits from the old hinge cover. When assembling the new hinge cover, be sure that your cables go on the inside of these two clips. In that way, the hinge cover will mount perfectly and we won't pinch any of the cables. So, okay, always easier the other side, and these cables, as far as I can see, they are not in the way. We hear it clicking, which is good, and we are ready to put the screws back in. Put your hand beneath here if you need to apply some more pressure until the screw finds its way. That's the last. Okay, and it is not going to be perfect because some of the clips from the LCD back cover are missing, but in order to save on the costs repairing the back cover as well, this is the easiest and cheapest way. If the gaps here are bigger, this can be done with a double-sided tape and it will look absolutely perfect. Okay. That's it. We need to put back the bezel cover. Follow the outside line of the bezel, apply pressure. You will hear the clips going back into their place. Here you need to press practically where this line is, and always check and correct practically. That's it. We can see that this laptop is generally in a bad shape, but also on these models the plastic covers, they don't hold that well, especially heavy use. Okay, always double check. You'll hear some more clicks. Everything is back in place. And thank you for watching. I'll keep tech. See you again next time. Cheers.